Hi! So I have been now testing this electric snow shovel with these wheels on it for a couple of days now, and I have to say it turned it into a completely different machine. These wheels really change the whole thing. It's super easy to move around now, and you can control how low it bites into the snow, so you can adjust how much snow it scoops up. For example, if you are working on uneven grounds, you can avoid sucking in rocks or debris. And honestly, you kind of wonder why these don't come with wheels in the first place. Of course, if you're only using it on a flat surfaces, like cleaning a patio or an asphalt driveway, then you might not need them. But at least in my opinion, these wheels make the machine a lot more versatile. So I can highly recommend installing these wheels on these electric snow shovels. Like I said before, they make a huge difference. The snow shovel is much easier to move around, and yeah, it's a game changer, at least for me. So thanks for watching, and bye.